Hello students, I welcome you all in the e-class of your paper second, organic synthesis paper second, um, stereo chemoselectivity. The word selectivity divided into three categories: chemoselectivity, stereoselectivity and regioselectivity. So chemoselectivity means if there is a two group on the benzene ring, then which functional group will react? Okay. And what is regioselectivity? Regioselectivity means where it will react. Okay. And stereoselectivity means how it will react. Okay. So today we will discuss chemoselectivity. There is a this chemoselectivity we will discuss today. And if there is a benzene ring, and there is two functional group attached with the benzene ring, then in both of these two groups, which functional group will react? Or if there is two same group on the benzene ring, then if we want to react only one group, then what will we will do? So here I am taking an example: NH2 group and OH group attached with the benzene ring at the para position. Then there is two possibility, that is NH2 group react or OH group will react. Then guideline first is, if two group have unequal reactivity, the more reactive can be made to react alone. Since because amine group is much more nucleophilic than the phenol, so the reaction with the acetic anhydride gives the amide. So this is the target molecule number 2. Then after the disconnection of this amide group, CN disconnection, then we'll get the NH2 group and OH group on the benzene ring. Then after functional group interconversion, it NH2 group converts into NO2 group. Then we know that this CN group, CN disconnection, and we'll get the phenol. So for the synthesis of this target molecule second, we will use the dilute HNO3, only dilute HNO3, because if we will take the H2SO4 also, then there is two uh, 2,2,4 tri nitrophenol. So only will use the dilute HNO3 for this nitration. Then this nitro group reduce in NH2 group by the using of reagent H2 on palladium. Then after after the using of acetic anhydride, this NH2 group convert into amide group. So approximately 75 to 80% yield of the target molecule will get. The next example is, if there is same functional group on the ring, then if we want to react only one functional group, not both of these, then what will we what we will use, what kind of reagent will use? So there is an example of this is the target molecule of first number. Then there is two possibility, there is one ester group and another is ether group. So we know that the ester group will be synthesized by acid and alcohol. So first of all we will disconnect this CO function group, CO bond, then we'll get the acidic carboxylic acid group and amino um, alcohol. And then in the next step we will disconnect this alkyl side bond of the ether group, because we know that SN2 reaction of alkyl halide and alcohol are very reliable reactions. So we'll disconnect from here, then we'll get the reliable starting material alkyl halide and this starting material number 5 for the synthesis. Here this number 5 molecule, there is chemoselectivity arises. What is that? There is one COH group and one OH group. So which functional group are more nucleophile and which is less nucleophile? So we know that OH group is more nucleophilic and COOH group is less nucleophile. So this chemoselectivity depends upon the uh, pH of the reaction mixture. So if pH is equivalent to 5, then there is a carboxylate anion, but we want to react alkyl halide at the alcoholic side, so we have to increase the pH of this reaction mixture. So we will add the base, then there is a formation of dianion, and this dianion, in this dianion AR means there is a phenoxide group is more nucleophilic than the COO minus group. So in the next step, this alkyl halide will react on the this O minus side. So after the SN2 synthesis reaction, there is a formation of ether group in, and we'll get the molecule number 2, and then this molecule number 2 will react the amino alcohol, then we'll get the target molecule number 1. So since selectivity between two oxygen nucleophile are more difficult, but when one is an alcohol and other is acid, then no problem, chemoselectivity in the 5, then this is the then we will use the more base for the increase the pH of the reaction mixture. Next guideline we will discuss to next E class. Thank you.